This screencast is to show you how to use EBSCO ebooks and share them with your students. Your access point is through Launchpad in the Library Resource folder. We have different levels of ebooks, so choose the level you need and type in your search. Your books will list here. You have options to do a PDF full text or a full download of the book. I typically choose a PDF because that is the format that will show the pictures and the text just like it would lay out in a print book. So once I find the book that I would like, I'm going to click on the PDF full text and it will load that book. Now these ebooks are a little different than most our students are used to. They read in a vertical format, so the students will scroll down to read the book. They can also use the table of contents here on the side to get to the section that they're looking for. So I want the table of contents because I want to see how long the book is and what chapters are included. I might also look at a chapter just to see if the text level is correct for my students. Once I'm sure that's the book I want, I'm going to go back to the cover and I'm going to my options across the top here. I'm looking for the permalink option because I want to create a hyperlink that goes straight to this book for my students. You might also be considering sending it into your Google Classroom, sharing it through your Google Drive, or if needed, printing out the pages. So once again, I'm going to permalink. I'm going to tap on it. Here's my link straight to the book. I'm going to go ahead and copy it with a Control-C, go out to my document. I'm going to type it in, highlight the name of the book, go up here to my Insert Link option, and then Control-V to paste the link right down here and apply. You'll see it's now turned into a hyperlink for this book. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact your librarian for assistance or library services. Thank you.